Okay, welcome back for another practice session. I hope you keep up with your practice. That's the only way to get better at it. You're gonna start up with something different. Let's do the V set. Okay, I'm gonna use a 3-6-3-2. Okay, 5.541. Okay, so I got an explosion on that and an implosion on the other one. Okay, 8 the hard way. 4-4. Okay, that's a double pitch in both dice, so it works out pretty good. Okay, 2-1-1. Not quite what we're looking for, but it is one of the harder number to hit. So we got a triple pitch and an explosion. 5 point made 4-1. Buds are off. Same thing. 10 4-6. Points 10. 8 2-6. Give me a second, I gotta shut off the stove. Gotta remember not to have the stove fire. I'm cooking in the middle of practice. Sometimes you get carried away, you might cause some unforeseen event. Okay, remember math. I already got 2 set here, 1 and 1. It's difficult trying to make the third, so if you're trying to preserve capital, you might want to shut your bets off now. Okay, 5 3-2. We're at 6-7 points now. Six, 5-1. One of the reasons why you practice all the time is that you can familiarize yourself for when the 7 comes up the most and what set gives you what combination. Usually I know that around 8, 9, and 10 is when the 7 pops out. So I can shut my bets off. Okay, 8, 4-4. So I usually shut my bet off around 9 because I know the 10 is my, the 10 usually shows up about 90% of the time for me on the 10th row on 7. So, okay, 2-1-1. All right, we got 3 points here. So if I got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10th row. That's usually our sweet spot right there with the 7. See if we can push 2 more row. 10. Okay, 6-4. All right, point made. It's 11 row. If a 7 shows up over here, it doesn't matter, the buttons are off. We want it to show up on this when the buttons are off. But let's see how much we can roll without popping that 7. 7, okay. 5-2. Still our roll buttons are off, so let me see what we got. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 row. Okay, not bad. That just resets our all tall, all short. And we count that 7. All right, let's reset the, still using the 3 V's. Okay. 6, 2, 4.6. Not worry about the 7 because we reset it. We know we got about 5 more rolls before that shows up again. 8, 2, 6. Okay, so we got a single pitch on that. Still good. 8, 2, 6. Okay. Both dice double pitch the same way. Worked out pretty good. So far it's doing what it's supposed to do, and the table's giving us good reflex. Okay. 5, 2, 3. Four, 1, 3. 5 row already. Okay. 10, 6, 4. Okay, we're still good. We only got 1 set, so we don't have to really worry that much. Six, okay, 3, 3. Point made. All right, we got a double set. So shut our bet off. We will worry about capital reserve. Hopefully we get a 7 out of this spot because the buttons are off. We want that 7 to 4 when the buttons. Okay, so let's just speed up the dice a little bit. Try to pop a 7. Ooh, almost 8. Okay. All right, points 8, 3, 5. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 rows. So 7 might show up within these. So let's hope for the best. Three, 1, 2. Okay. All right, this is a 10th row. This is usually what happened. We're gonna change set. We're gonna go with the 6, 4, 5, 4 just to wash the dice. 4. Okay, 1, 3. Okay, it it does what it's supposed to do. It's hitting the outside number. This is designed for all the 12 numbers, but mostly outside first. 7 out. Okay, we made 3 point, couldn't hit the 4. And let's see how we roll. This is the previous roll for the 7 set. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, that's where the 7 usually pops out. Okay. And let's count these guys from previous roll. Okay, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 row. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 crept up to the 23rd, but not bad. So good so far. Let's hope we can stay that consistent. If we could roll 22 every time we pick up the dice, that's great. All we have to do is pass 14. Thanks for watching. Keep up with your practice. Take care.